Most of the excitement generated around this year's rookie class has been about the hitters, but there are two hard-throwing rookie pitchers that are starting to make some noise of their own. Keep an eye on Astros right-hander Lance McCullers Jr. He's the son of a former Major League pitcher. In his last start against Baltimore, he tossed a complete game 4-hitter with 11 strikeouts. He could be the number 3 starter the Astros have been looking for. Then there is Red Sox left-hander Eduardo Rodriguez. He was only supposed to be a fill-in starter, but he's been doing too good to ignore. He's allowed a total of 1 earned run in 2 starts, and he's forced the Red Sox to create a place for him in the rotation. Both young pitchers could face innings limits later in the season, but fantasy owners can consider them solid starts this week. Don't miss out on any of this year's top rookies. Get them in your daily fantasy lineup when you visit FantasyScore.com.